Unveiling Your Perfect Skin, Understanding Skincare Routine. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only popular but also essential for self-care: understanding the phrase, skincare routine. This is a phrase you might come across often, whether in magazines, online articles, or casual conversations. Let's break it down and make it simple to understand. Get ready to enhance your English and your skincare knowledge. Skincare routine is a compound noun. It's made up of two parts: skincare and routine. Let's look at each word separately. Skincare refers to the practice of keeping the skin healthy and attractive. This includes activities like cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting the skin from the sun. Routine, on the other hand, is a series of actions regularly followed. So, when combined, a skincare routine is a set of regular steps one follows to take care of their skin. Now, you might wonder why people emphasize their skincare routine. It's not just about looking good. It's about health. The skin is the largest organ of the body and protects us from the environment. A good skincare routine helps keep the skin healthy, preventing issues like dryness or acne, and can even delay signs of aging. Understanding this phrase also gives insight into a culture that values self-care and appearance. To help you better understand, let's see how this phrase is used in sentences. I follow a skincare routine every night before going to bed. Can you recommend products for a basic skincare routine? Celebrities often share their skincare routines on social media. Notice how the phrase is commonly used to talk about personal habits or to seek advice on skincare. The phrase can be modified to suit different contexts. For example, my morning skincare routine is different from my nighttime routine. He's looking for a skincare routine for sensitive skin. These variations show how the phrase can be adapted to discuss specific types of routines or skin concerns. And that's a wrap on understanding skincare routine. I hope this video has not only enriched your English vocabulary but also given you a glimpse into the world of skincare. Remember, learning a language opens doors to understanding different cultures and lifestyles. Stay curious, keep learning, and take care of your skin. See you in the next video.